How to create a new document in Photoshop. If you already have Photoshop open, go up to the main menu and click on File, then New. After you click New, a dialog box will open that has many options on it. You can also open a new file. The box looks the same whether you go to File New or click on the New button. You have many options as far as what to choose here. Photoshop has many default selections, your basic normal paper size like US letter, legal, and tabloid. There's different tabs along the top where you can select a recent size you've used before, where you can pick what type of file that you are creating, whether it be a web graphic, a printed item, a poster, something for mobile devices. And then there are also some templates along the bottom. You have different availability here based on what your subscription is with your Adobe account. So what I'm filling out now is all the details. So I did go ahead and click on the print tab because I'm making a photo montage and I want to print it when I'm done on a US letter. I can pick the orientation of the page, the measurement, whether I want inches or pixels, as well as I can pick the color mode. So when I'm designing anything to be printed, I want to design in CMYK color mode. This is how printers print color. If you're designing for web, social media, or mobile devices, you want to design in RGB mode. You have other options as far as your resolution. 300 resolution, or dots per inch or pixels per inch, is what we want to use when we're designing anything to print. It's considered high quality. If we're designing for the internet, we want to do 72 dpi. After you've selected all the settings you want, you click the Create button. Then Photoshop will open you a blank document to start designing. Thanks for watching.